why did Global Force create WorkHuman? One reason: people deserve to be happy at work. People deserve to be happy at work. And why does that matter? Look at the slide. People who are happy at work stay twice as long in their jobs. People who are happy at work spend double the amount of time focused on what they are paid to do. They take 10 times less sick leave than others. They are 2 times more likely to believe that they're truly achieving their full potential in their careers. And they are noted for having a 31% productivity rise over their less happy peers. So I ask you, what manager wouldn't want to lead that team? What CEO wouldn't want to cultivate that kind of organizational culture? This is why we created WorkHuman.